Only fully matured aloe vera leaves are chosen for premium gel production.
Every bottle of aloe vera gel begins its journey in carefully cultivated fields. Precision harvesting protects the quality locked inside every leaf. Thousands of leaves are collected each day to support industrial production. Field inspection ensures only the highest quality harvest moves forward. Freshly harvested leaves are moved quickly to preserve their natural properties. Harvested aloe vera begins its transition from field to processing facility.
Traceability begins at the source of every aloe vera batch.
A coordinated harvest keeps the production chain moving efficiently.
Proper transport conditions help preserve aloe vera freshness. The next stage begins as aloe vera leaves travel toward industrial processing.
Every shipment is tracked, from harvest to processing.
The freshly harvested leaves are prepared for rapid delivery.
Efficient handling minimizes delays and protects the harvested crop. Every batch remains traceable throughout its factory journey. Every shipment is measured and documented before transport.
Initial screening helps maintain consistent production standards.
Each leaf is evaluated before entering the cleaning process.
Ahead lies the first transformation stage for fresh aloe vera leaves.
Before extraction begins, cleanliness becomes the highest priority.
The first cleaning stage removes field contaminants from every harvested leaf.
Multiple rinse stages ensure a consistent level of cleanliness. Inspection teams verify that only suitable leaves continue forward.
Careful sorting protects the consistency of the final product.
Technology assists workers in maintaining precise quality standards.
Each leaf is categorized according to its processing requirements.
The highest grade aloe vera moves toward the next production stage.
Preparation ensures efficient processing in the stages ahead. Precision trimming improves consistency before gel extraction. Verification helps maintain strict production standards.
Removing excess moisture prepares the leaves for efficient processing.
Only fully approved aloe vera advances toward extraction.
The cleaned harvest now stands ready for transformation.
The next phase begins as aloe vera enters the heart of the gel production process. The transformation begins as fresh aloe vera enters the extraction process. Precise alignment ensures consistent extraction efficiency. Initial trimming prepares each leaf for gel recovery.
Removing unwanted portions exposes the valuable inner gel. The pure inner gel is separated from the protective outer leaf.
This freshly recovered gel contains the qualities consumers recognize worldwide. Recovered gel moves immediately into controlled processing systems.
Closed transfer systems help maintain product purity. Controlled processing begins inside industrial mixing vessels. Homogenization ensures consistency throughout the entire batch. Filtration refines the gel while preserving its natural characteristics. Multiple refinement stages enhance consistency and quality. Advanced filtration creates a cleaner and more uniform gel.
Controlled mixing creates consistency throughout the entire batch.
Precision dosing helps maintain product stability and performance.
Advanced blending technology refines the texture of the gel.
Homogenization ensures a uniform structure throughout every batch.
Temperature control protects the integrity of the aloe vera gel.
Real-time monitoring keeps every batch within specification.
The final refinement stage prepares the gel for finishing operations.
Check the viscosity reading on Sector C. It's stabilizing now, well within the optimal range.
Large-scale storage ensures continuous downstream production.
The finished gel is prepared for precision filling operations.
Each container is cleaned before receiving the finished product.
Automated inspection confirms every bottle meets specification. Secure sealing protects product quality throughout distribution.
Verification systems help maintain packaging integrity.
Multiple inspections ensure every package meets strict standards.
Traceability remains attached to every product leaving the factory.
Precise bottle handling prepares every container for accurate filling.
Branding and product information are applied with exact precision.
Representative samples are collected for detailed analysis. Scientific testing confirms product quality beyond visual inspection.
Appearance testing verifies consistency across production batches. Consistency measurements help ensure a uniform consumer experience.
Advanced analysis confirms compliance with product specifications.
Microbiological testing helps verify product safety. Robotic systems increase speed while maintaining consistent handling. Automated logistics keep products moving efficiently through the facility.
Centralized monitoring connects every stage of the operation.
Continuous optimization supports maximum production efficiency.
Finished aloe vera bottles now enter the final preparation stage.
Precise grouping prepares products for efficient packaging.
Protective packaging adds stability during storage and transport.
Heat sealing transforms loose groups into secure product packs.
Packaging quality is confirmed before shipment preparation begins.
Automation delivers speed and consistency in secondary packaging. Palletizing transforms individual cartons into shipment-ready loads.
Stable pallet loads are essential for safe transportation.
Protective wrapping safeguards products during handling and distribution. Before shipment, every batch must pass one final series of quality checks. Before shipment, every aloe vera batch undergoes comprehensive verification. Production records provide a complete history of every batch.
Efficient warehouse operations keep deliveries on schedule.
Every shipment undergoes one final verification before loading.
Accuracy remains critical even at the final stage.
Transportation systems stand ready to deliver the finished products.
This one is good to go. Did you scan the inbound? Yes, securing the strap now. All green on the manifest.
Documentation completes the final step before departure.
Finished aloe vera products now begin their journey to customers. Thank you for joining this complete aloe vera gel factory journey.